Bentley has unveiled the EXP-15, a striking concept car that offers a glimpse into the brand's electrified future. Though not slated for production, this electric Grand Tourer showcases the design, materials, and technology that will define Bentley's first fully electric vehicle, expected in 2026. The EXP-15 signals a bold step toward luxury, speed, and innovation in the electric era. Performance is at the core of Bentley's electric vision. The EXP-15, an all-wheel drive Grand Tourer, is engineered for long-range travel and rapid charging, with a sleek profile hinting at power that could surpass the W12-powered flying spur. While the concept won't be sold, it previews the look and feel of Bentley's upcoming EV, likely with a more practical design. Its aerodynamic shape, featuring a long bonnet, twin rear spoilers, concealed diffusers, and advanced lighting, is built for high-speed, cross-country journeys. The long bonnet, free from a traditional engine, doubles as dual storage compartments, maximizing practicality. Inside, the EXP-15 redefines luxury with a unique three-seat layout. The passenger seat swivels for graceful exit, while the rear seat envelops the driver in a cocoon-like embrace, creating a cabin that feels like a private lounge. Designed using virtual reality, the interior blends a fully digital dashboard with natural wood surfaces, a hidden fridge, deployable tailgate seating, and a mechanical marvel centerpiece that adds tactile craftsmanship to a tech-heavy space. Every detail is crafted for modern grand touring, prioritizing usability over mere opulence. Material innovation is a highlight, blending heritage with futurism. Traditional Fox Brothers wool and Gainsborough jacquard silk meet cutting-edge 3D-printed titanium, light reactive surfaces, and glowing acrylic mesh. The digital dashboard seamlessly transitions to walnut veneer, while backlit quilting evokes stained glass at night, balancing warmth with advanced technology. This aligns with Bentley's Beyond 100 goal of carbon neutrality by 2030. Even the exterior paint, Palace Gold, is forward-thinking, using aluminum pigments, compatible with radar and LiDAR for autonomous systems. Though the EXP-15 won't hit the roads, it's a clear preview of Bentley's electrified, luxurious future.